party.
Yeah.
Knew they were on this side too. No.
Stopping down where those stopping me too.
Find out. No! No! I got working! You think they would love you when you
Yeah,
know
no. Yeah, just bring up my license. Hold on, let me just turn that for you. don't want to accidentally let the clutch out.
You know the internet stuff.
Yeah, I know. There we go.
Get hit for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, goodbye.
Right, thank you. You too.
Because if you drank, I would have punched you so hard. Then you would have been arrested for drink driving, and I would have been arrested for domestic abuse.